So hi everyone, my name is Simon Rochette, Simon, and I'm the sales director at Tervene. Been with the company for almost 4 years, and basically Tervene is a daily management system that is helping all the manufacturing industry to digitize themselves in terms of management processes. So everything that has to do with leader standard work, audits and forms, meetings, problem-solving mechanisms, and so on. So we're a Montreal company base, and we've been in business for the past 8 years. I think the Generis event is a really nice event. I think that we get to meet a lot of executive people that are basically discussing with us about their issues and how we can help them, but it's also nice to have great conversation about how they're doing stuff in the industry that they're working, and how basically we can help them. I think that the Generis team have been great support for us. They're always bringing people to our booth so we can have great conversation with them. And we've been doing it for at least 2 years and several events. So I really recommend you guys attending those kind of events.